everybody, it's Eli again. Today I'm going to be making a tutorial of a paper hat. So first you have to make sure it's not like that. No, it's not like this. And it is like this. Then, first step, connect the corners like you're making a party card by yourself. Connect the corners like you're making a party card by yourself. But keep it that way. Not that way, not that way, this way. Then, whenever you fold it, you have to make sure the opening part is at the bottom and you fold it from the top that is folded, not the bottom that you open up. The first thing you need to do is make that, then that, then that, then you have to fold these sides up, both sides. Then, in the middle, it's out. Put your hand in, and there you go, a sailor's hat. Today, post the comments what you want me to do next. Like and subscribe my video. See ya next time.